online with data entry jobs, all you need is a phone or a laptop, or preferably a laptop and an internet source to be able to access the websites I'm going to be mentioning. So the first website is a leading healthcare payment company that prices, pays, and explains care for payers, providers, and healthcare consumers. It is called Zilliz. They have a platform where you can find data entry jobs where you don't need any experience to get started. As you can see here on their website where it says Zilliz Careers, you're going to see lots of jobs here. Already they have 77 jobs here on the website that are posted from different places, from different clients they have. And if you check this one that talks about client service presentation, you can see that from the requirement, everything here that they wrote, the education needed is high school diploma or equivalent. So you don't really have to have any special experience on anything, but you do have to have some qualifications like having excellent telephone etiquette and verbal communication skills and all this kind of stuff. So you have to have all these skills to be able to apply these jobs that are on this website. So the second website we're going to be talking about is similar to this first one, and on here you're going to see lots of jobs from different locations, lots of remote jobs. This website, like the previous one, hosts lots of jobs, and in most cases you might not really get to see the amount you're going to be paid on this platform. And if you see here, there are lots of jobs. These jobs are from different companies in different locations. So if you see the one that is close to what you're looking for, you can apply and get started. So for example, if this one that says customer service representative, you can see that the career level is entry level, so you don't necessarily need any experience to get started, and it is 100% remote. So all you need to do is just to make sure you have a laptop or a phone and an internet connection to get started. And then once you apply and you are accepted, you're going to be given a contract like a normal job, because it's a normal job there where you see the payment. In some cases, they allow you to negotiate your price depending on the situation and from where the jobs are coming from. So this website just hosts the jobs they get from different places. So, but the next website I'm going to mention is their job, like that's what they do. And they do have an app that you can download and start making money using this app on your phone. So the next website helps you to work from wherever you are. You can schedule your work in the most convenient way for you, depending on what you're doing. They have jobs to help people earn extra income, learn new skills. If you come here, it says join the community. The website is called oneformer.com, and signing up is in a minute, so you can learn about your skill, your background, and the type of job that you are interested in the most. So you browse the jobs because they have lots of jobs here, and you can filter the job based on your language and the category you're looking for. And of course, you apply for the job. And to apply, you simply click apply now on the job you have seen you think you want to do, and then you start working once your application is approved. So most jobs start within a few days or a few weeks of listings because they keep updating jobs on the website. So you get to start within a few days depending, and then you get paid. Usually the payments are made via PayPal or Payoneer, so you must have either of these websites so that you start earning. And from here you can see you get paid every 10th to 25th of each month. Now, from my research on this website, the pay is usually around $20 to $50 per hour, depending on what the job is. And it is important for you to know that some of the jobs will require you to take some qualification exams to make sure that you have the required skill and qualification they are looking for to start working for them. And then you have to earn some certificates. Like they have a certification page where they offer a range of certifications that can help you get higher paying jobs on their platforms. However, you don't need a certificate to join the platform. So some jobs may require you to have the certificate before you get to apply. So to apply for the job, once you have joined the community, you browse different jobs they have on the job section. If you click here where it says job, you're going to see the job sections, and you're going to see lots of jobs here that you can apply. However, there are some that require you to have some language proficiencies to be able to apply. Of course, you're going to see all of that in the job you're going to be eligible to apply to. So anyone you're interested in, like this one, you can click here where it says find out more. That is where you're going to see other things about the job, description, and the purpose, because most of these jobs are field jobs, so you're going to stay wherever you are to do the job. So as you can see here, the main requirement for this one is you must be proficient in either of the languages that are mentioned here. So if you have any of these, you can apply to these jobs. So you just have to go through to check for the ones that are available for you to start working on this platform. Please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online, and then I share opportunities that I've seen from different places here on this platform. And do well to subscribe so that you don't miss out on the future videos I'm going to make. Thank you so much for your support. And please do let me know if you've used any of this website that I'm going to mention, share your experience, or the one you're hoping to apply to. You may want to let me know in the comment section. So the next website is called Hive Micro. Now, this website is where you find lots of easy jobs. They also have an app. In fact, they will encourage you to download the app before you be able to do most of the jobs they have here. How it works is you first of all sign up. You can register directly, or you can use your Facebook profile, and then you apply for jobs, you complete tasks, and then you get paid. This one pays weekly via PayPal or Bitcoin. And the type of tasks you're going to be seeing on this website is things like draw a box around an object, categorize the scene in image, transcribe audio to text, track the same object across frames. So some of these data entry jobs, even AI training or annotations, these are the things you're going to find on the website. However, from my research about this website, your payment is made automatically within 10 to 15 minutes once you are able to complete any tasks that are being given to you on the website. And then you have lots of resources that can help you once you need help along the way, getting started with working with the website. But accuracy is required for you to make it through on this website. They need you to be at least 95% accurate with every job that you're going to be given on the website. And most times the payment threshold could be around $10. Once you're able to get to $10, you can now cash out your payment. Also, I was able to find out that most of the jobs don't really pay that much. They can pay you within the ranges of 2 cents to $2, depending on the task you're given to do. However, their task is quite very easy. That's the good thing about the website. It's not going to stress you. It's something that you can easily do, and then you get paid. But before you be able to, earn a very huge amount, like hundreds of dollars, you have to do lots of work to be able to make such amount. But if you have extra time to spare, this is a great way of spending your time by simply, doing some tasks, and then you get paid immediately. Like, you get your payments weekly. Like, it just reflects. Like, you don't really need to stress yourself, provided you have a PayPal account that is connected to the website. The next website we're going to be talking about is a popular one, and a lot of people use different services they offer. The website is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. They have lots of jobs, from image and video processing to data verification and cleanup, information gathering, data processing, a lot of jobs here. And the good thing is this website is very much verified. Anybody that knows Amazon knows that they are a known name, a known brand, and they have built trust over the years. So you can trust that you're going to get your payment after doing the jobs that you see here. Because they are a known brand, you can trust to find lots of jobs on this platform. However, you have to sign up as a worker before you be able to access the jobs here on the website. So to find out about how it works, you're going to see that you browse through the human intelligence tasks, like that the AI annotation tasks, and you accept the work and follow the instruction. Once you're done, you submit, and then you get paid after the requester approves your work. So because it's hosting the job, once you finish the job, whoever that requested for the job will approve it before you get paid. However, from my research also, I discovered that they don't really pay that much. Like, they pay like a few cents to a few dollars for a job you've done for an hour. So these are the things you need to check around before you be able to get started. But it's a great way of doing something on the side if you have much time and you earn some money doing this simple to do tasks anywhere you want. If you're not interested in any of this website, I have 2 videos here that shows other places you can find typing jobs, writing jobs, any of those type of jobs. You might want to check them out. Please don't fail to like, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any part. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.